everyone, we're here today at the Abbotsford International Airshow. My name is Arnie and we are at one of the most exciting shows here in Abbotsford in the summertime. And personally for me, this is my very first time attending the Abbotsford Airshow, so it's going to be very exciting for me to show you guys around. So the Abbotsford Airshow is actually a festival that's been going on for many years now, since 1962, and it's had many spectators since then and has just been getting more and more popular since. So we can see there's lots of people in the area waiting for the show and lots of places to eat at, many vendors as well. So let's go check out some of the planes that they have here. From Abbotsford, British Columbia, my name is Arnie Aquino, always one with 25.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave some love by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at EBC Digital Nest so you don't miss any of our upcoming features.